From home renovations to construction projects on a global scale, successfully delivering within the built environment is dependent on your ability to budget accurately and manage the costs of a project, down to the nuts and bolts. To achieve this and ensure your business delivers projects on time and according to budget, it is crucial to estimate using the best practice known as first principles estimating. By identifying and breaking projects down into their base components, first principles estimating provides estimators with an accurate understanding of the resourcing requirements and costs of a project. For example, when constructing a brick wall, a contractor using first principles estimating will first identify and price the basic resources needed to complete the job, from the type of mortar and bricks used to the workers and equipment. The quantity of these resources, their costs and productions, are then combined with the numerous variables, specifications, and factors unique to both the item of work and project. By doing this, an estimator can formulate the rate, resource, and production buildup per unit at which the work can be completed. Ultimately, resources and rate buildups vary in complexity, but as they become more elaborate, so will your cost estimation. To understand how resources and rates are built up using first principles estimating, let's look at a typical resource buildup for site-batched concrete. By combining sand, stone, and cement in their various proportions, the material component of concrete is produced. When one or more resources are combined together in this way, the result is referred to as a complex or combination resource. Now, combine the concrete materials with a mixer and the level of complexity evolves again to give you mixed concrete. Then, add a dumper. Its operating costs, the labor to operate it, and mixed concrete becomes an even more complex resource. Due to these varying levels of resource complexity, it is best to utilize dedicated software when applying first principles estimating, as opposed to doing everything manually using spreadsheets. First principles estimating also provides an estimator with a clear understanding of the direct and indirect costs of a project across plant, material, labor, subcontractors, and overheads, while offering a range of benefits that provide accurate and informed insights into all the costs, resource quantities, and productions of a project. Mitigate the risks of tendering as a lump sum because every component of a project is calculated according to its individual elements. Allow for the quick, accurate, and auditable implementation and assessment of changes to resources, their price, or productivity. Improve industry competitiveness by delivering detailed estimates, apply contingencies for risk, and add margins appropriate to the risk and return requirements for the project. Enable downstream control of purchasing and project control with precise information on the detailed quantity and rate per resource allowed in the budget. Provide estimators with the ability to repeat, reuse, and repurpose rate buildups as templates for other projects. For over 35 years, RIB-CCS has put its customers first by embedding first principles estimating into the fabric of our construction and engineering solutions, standardizing the estimating process while providing real-time tools for effective decision-making and exceptional results in the built environment. To turn best practice into the best decision for your business, speak to us today.